through the hood, just stop by to say what's up. Let you know your baby boy ain't doing so tough. Even though you've passed going on 4 long years, still waking up late at night crying tears. Just thinking about those days you used to talk to me, smiling while I'm sipping on this Hennessy. And remember we brag on how rich we would be. To get up out this hood was like a fantasy. My songs on the radio was bang. Oh, I can't believe my ears and what everybody's saying. Boy, I tell you, folks don't know the half. I would give it all up just to take one ride with you. How I used to kick it on the front porch with you. How I used to lay back and smoke with you. All the little basement party joints we do. Now I'm just missing you. How I wish that I could hold you now. Oh, I wish that I could touch you now. Oh, I wish that I could talk to you, be with you somehow. I know you're in a bad place. You know I can't see your face. Know you're smiling down on me, saying everything's okay. And if I make it out this love, I'll see you again someday. I wish.
Oh, son, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul?
I want out, but it's hard. I need answers, Mama.
Robert.
I need answers.
Son.
Ever since this money come, it's been nothing but stress. Sometimes I wish that I could just trade in my success. Y'all look at me and say, boy, you've been blessed, but y'all don't see the inside of my unhappiness. Man, I swear it gets heavy like a ton. That's why you hear me shooting this real off like a gun. I wonder how my friends would treat me now if I wasn't iced up.
Nobody don't seem to understand what you go through. Nobody don't seem to see what you feel. Nobody don't know what you face. Now that me only tell and gone, you want to know. Trauma live, no you.